Okay, the perimeter of the triangle is equal to the circumference of the circle. Calculate the radius of the circle. Okay, now let's focus on the triangle to start with. They talk about the perimeter, yeah? Now, just like the last question, you know what the perimeter is. It's the distance all the way round. So if you were to walk around this shape, starting maybe here, you'd be walking 10 here and then 24. So you could add that up. And then this distance, but we don't know what that distance is. Okay, so I would figure that out. Okay, if we can figure that distance out, we know the perimeter. And once we know the perimeter, we can use the fact then that it's equal to the circumference of the circle. Okay, so Pythagoras, to work out this side, that's the side, isn't it, we want there, which is C, and the other two sides then A and B. So Pythagoras' theorem, well, A is 10, so 10 squared, B is 24, and then you've got your C that squared. Okay, so if I add these together, okay, I can work that out in one go, so you can see what I've done there on my calculator, and it comes to 676 equals C squared, and then of course to get C I need to square root, don't I? 676. Okay, so square root the answer, I get 26. C is exactly 26 there. So now I can work out the perimeter. So remember now, the perimeter of the triangle is these added together. So imagine walking around, so 10 plus 24 plus 26. So if I do that, I get out 60 centimeters. So that's the perimeter. And we're told that the circumference of the circle is equal to 60. Okay, that's what we told me. We told that it's the same. It's the same as the perimeter of the triangle. So all we need to do now is figure out a way then of using this information to work out the radius of the circle. You need to know a formula. Okay, so the circumference formula of a circle is pi d. Okay, that's what it is. Pi times diameter, and pi is always given on the front page of the exam paper as 3.14. So if I put that in there, and what I can do then is work out what d is. Okay, so just a bit of algebra here. Take the 3.1 over. Okay, so I get then my d to be 19.1. Okay, rounded. That's what I've got there. So it's not a particularly nice answer, but that's what is coming out as here. Now, remember that's the diameter, okay? So diameter is all the way across, right? 19.1 all the way across, but I only want the radius, okay? I only want half of that. So to get the radius, you've got to halve our result. Okay, so if I divide that by 2 on a calculator, I get 9.55, okay? So we could say 9.6 centimeters to one decimal place.